Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Mania Legends. To begin your journey, you will hatch your very first dragon from an egg. Next, construct suitable habitats to house your growing collection of dragons, which will also generate gold for you. Remember to feed your dragons regularly to help them level up and become more powerful. Engage in various quests and exciting battles to earn valuable resources and progress through the game. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. A core part of Dragon Mania Legends is breeding new dragons. You can combine any two dragons in the breeding den to discover and create entirely new species. Experiment with different elemental combinations, as these will yield unique and sometimes very rare dragons. Be patient, as both the breeding and hatching processes require a bit of time to complete. Your goal is to expand your collection, which features over 600 distinct dragon types. Battling is essential for progression in Dragon Mania Legends. You will form a powerful team of 3 dragons to engage in strategic turn-based combat. Always remember to utilize elemental advantages against your opponents. For example, a water dragon deals extra damage to a fire dragon. Continuously upgrade your dragon skills and equip them with the best gear to enhance their performance. Conquer the extensive campaign map and participate in exciting special events to test your team. Effectively managing your dragon island is key to long-term success. You will need to expand your island regularly to accommodate new habitats and essential buildings as your dragon collection grows. Make sure to participate in the many limited-time events, as these offer fantastic opportunities to win exclusive dragons and valuable prizes. Joining a clan allows you to collaborate with other players and earn unique rewards. Finally, decorating your island can boost dragon happiness and increase gold production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.